Look at the woman you're living with right now and ask yourself one brutal question. If you lost your bank account, your car, and your house tomorrow, would she stay to help you rebuild, or would she be reconnecting with her ex by sunset? Did you ever wonder why the more you provide, the more she treats you like an annoying boss she's trying to quit? You've been the victim of a silent replacement. You're out here working double shifts and losing hair to build a life of luxury, while she's using that very luxury to fund the time she spends looking for your upgrade. You're paying for the high-speed internet she uses to message other men, and you're paying for the gym membership where she meets them. You think your good man effort is an investment, but to an entitled woman, it's just a first-class scholarship to the streets. Today, we are ending the free ride. I'm going to show you why your stability has become her boredom, and how to withdraw your energy so fast that she finally feels the cold weight of the world you've been shielding her from. If you don't watch this until the very end, you'll spend the rest of your life being the sponsor of a woman who is just waiting for a better offer to walk through the door. When a woman realizes your loyalty has no expiration date regardless of how she treats you, she stops seeing you as a man to love and starts seeing you as a machine to use until a newer, shinier model catches her eye at the gym you paid for. Men, this channel is more than content. It's a brotherhood that exists for those who refuse to be controlled, distracted, or broken. My ex told me men today are too weak, too distracted, and too controlled to ever unite. I didn't argue. I decided to prove her wrong. Every man who subscribes is proof that discipline, self-respect, and strength still exist. If you stand for truth, self-control, and knowing your value as a real man, if you're here to sharpen your mindset and live with standards, subscribe and stay, like this video, and make your presence known in the comments. Let's see who's serious and is ready to prove doubters wrong, because after this video, you'll be reborn as a new man who has discovered himself and is ready to take back his manhood. Make sure to subscribe and stay ahead, because we are just getting started. We have to talk about the stability curse. Most men are taught from the time they are boys that a woman wants a safe, stable, and secure life. So you work yourself to the bone. You take the extra shifts, you fix the house, you make sure the fridge is full and the bills are paid. You think you are building a fortress of love. But here is the brutal truth. If that woman hasn't built her own character, your stability is just a safe base for her to play games from. You've made her life so easy that she's bored. She's not worried about where her next meal is coming from or how the rent gets paid, so her mind starts wandering to excitement. You are the victim of a woman who is outsourcing her thrills. She wants your paycheck to cover the reality of her life, but she wants another man to provide the fantasy. Think about it. Why is she so cold to you, the man who does everything, but she's so vibrant and happy when she's talking to a guy who has no job and no future? It's because that guy represents a world where there are no rules, while you represent the world of responsibility. You are the manager of her life, and she is a bad employee who is looking for a way to quit without losing her benefits. Let's look at the story of a man we'll call Mark. Mark was a top-tier salesman. He worked 60 hours a week to buy his wife, Chloe, a massive house in the suburbs. He wanted her to have the life of a queen. He gave her a credit card for household things and told her she never had to work again. Mark thought he was a hero. Mark was the loser in this story because he rewarded a woman for being lazy. Chloe didn't use her free time to support Mark or build the home. She used it to spend 6 hours a day on social media. She started comparing Mark, the man who was actually working, to travel influencers who spend their lives on beaches. She started an affair with a personal trainer she met at an elite club Mark paid for. Mark would come home exhausted, wanting a hug and a warm meal, but Chloe would be too tired or busy on her phone. She was using Mark's money to buy the tight outfits she wore for the other guy. When Mark finally caught her, she didn't even say sorry. She said, "You were never home, Mark. I felt like a prisoner in this big house." She turned his hard work into a crime. Mark was the sponsor of his own replacement. He was the victim of a woman who used his strength to fund her betrayal. You have to understand the hypergamous scanner. A woman who doesn't respect your grind is always scanning for a man who she thinks is higher than you. And because you've made yourself a servant to her every whim, she has already put you at the bottom of the ladder. To her, you aren't the king, you are the bank. And nobody falls in love with a bank. They just use the bank until the account is empty or they find a bank with a bigger vault. This is why giving her everything is a recipe for disaster. When she has everything, she has nothing to work for. She has no reason to be on her best behavior. You've given her the winner's trophy before she even finished the race. Now she's sitting on the sidelines looking at the other runners while you're still out there doing the work for both of you. You are being slow faded out of your own relationship. Putting her in her place starts with the budget of attention. You need to stop being so available. You need to stop being the guy who solves every problem with a swipe of a credit card. You have to let her feel the weight of life. If she is being distant, you don't buy her a gift to get her back. You match her distance. If she's too busy for you, you become a ghost. You have to show her that your life is a moving train, and if she isn't helping to shove coal in the engine, she's just baggage. And a smart engineer drops the baggage the moment the track gets steep. Brothers, we are entering the kill zone of this realization. We've already exposed the stability curse. We've seen how men like Mark were turned into sponsors for their own replacement. But now it's time for the mechanical extraction. You see, the only reason a woman feels comfortable looking for your upgrade while living in your house is because she believes your support is a human right. She thinks that because you are a good man, you are incapable of being a cold man. She thinks your heart is too soft to ever shut the door. To be a winner, you have to prove to her that your provision is a privilege, not a permanent entitlement. When the respect stops, the resources must stop immediately. When you withdraw your energy, you aren't playing a game. You are performing a life audit. You are letting her see exactly what her life looks like without your shadow protecting her. Most men are terrified that if they stop doing, she will leave. But look at the reality. She is already leaving. She's leaving you emotionally. She's leaving you mentally. She's leaving you every time she looks at another man's life and wishes it was hers. Today, we are going to give her exactly what she's wishing for, a life without you. You are the victim of a gratitude deficit, and the only way to fix it is to create a supply shortage. Men, this channel is more than content. It's a brotherhood that exists for those who refuse to be controlled, distracted, or broken. My ex told me men today are too weak, too distracted, and too controlled to ever unite. I didn't argue. I decided to prove her wrong. Every Nan who subscribes is proof that discipline, self-respect, and strength still exist. If you stand for truth, self-control, and knowing your value as a real man, if you're here to sharpen your mindset and live with standards, subscribe and stay. Like this video and make your presence known in the comments. Let's see who's serious and is ready to prove doubters wrong. Because after this video, you will be reborn as a new man who has discovered himself and is ready to take back his manhood. Make sure to subscribe and stay ahead because we are just getting started. Let's look at the path of a man who mastered the strategic silence. We'll call him David. David was a high-level contractor. He gave his wife Sarah a life of pure luxury, a high-end SUV, a designer wardrobe, and a stay-at-home lifestyle that allowed her to spend her days at brunch and the gym. David thought he was doing his job as a man, but Sarah had become a scanner. She started comparing David's working hands to the clean hands of the guys she saw on her favorite reality shows. She started an emotional affair with a marketing consultant who worked at her gym, a guy who lived in a tiny apartment and drove a beat-up car. David was the winner in this story because he didn't beg for her loyalty. He didn't ask her why. Instead, David did the total resource withdrawal. He didn't yell, he just sat her down and showed her a spreadsheet of the household expenses. He told her, "Since you've decided our marriage is a burden and you're looking for better, I've decided to stop funding your search. As of tomorrow, the extra cards are canceled, the gym membership is closed, and you'll need to find a way to pay for your own lifestyle." Sarah panicked. She tried to go to her gym guy, but she quickly found out that he couldn't even afford to take her to a nice dinner, let alone pay for her luxury SUV. He didn't want a woman with baggage and bills. He just wanted a woman with a husband who paid for everything so he could have the fun part for free. When the sponsor, David, left, the lover, the gym guy, vanished. David won because he realized his value was the foundation of her entire world. He divorced her, kept his assets, and today he's with a woman who treats his hard work with the reverence it deserves. He reclaimed his throne by realizing he was the one who built the palace in the first place. You have to understand the safety net delusion. A woman who hasn't found better yet stays with you because you are safe. But the moment she thinks she has a better offer, she will drop you like a hot coal. You are being used as a financial insurance policy. She is hedging her bets. She stays in your bed at night while she dreams of another man's arms, all because she knows you'll provide the breakfast in the morning. This is the ultimate disrespect. You are being treated like a backup plan in a life that you are 100% funding. The winner's rebirth happens the moment you decide to become expensive. Not expensive in terms of money, but expensive in terms of your presence. You have to make her realize that being in your life is a reward for her behavior, not a right she gets for just showing up. If she's scanning the room for an upgrade, you must show her the exit. You don't compete with a potential replacement. A king doesn't compete with a peasant. A king simply removes the traitor from the court and closes the gates. You are the victim of a character thief. She is stealing your best years, your best effort, and your best resources to keep herself marketable for the next guy. She uses your money for the Botox, the hair, and the clothes that she uses to attract your replacement. It's a cold-blooded cycle. Stop being the venture capitalist for her next relationship. Take back your time. Take back your focus. If she wants to see if the grass is greener on the other side, let her go stand in the dirt without your umbrella. She will quickly realize that the exciting guys she's looking at are only exciting because they don't have the responsibilities that you handle every single day. They are fun because you are functional. Stop being the functional man for a woman who only wants fun. This channel is for men who are done blaming themselves for other people's choices. If that's you, don't leave as a spectator. Subscribe and stay ahead because we're just getting started. Support the message, speak in the comments, and stand with the men who choose clarity over confusion. You are being reprogrammed. The placeholder is dead. The sovereign man has returned. You are no longer providing a free ride to a woman who is looking for a new driver. You are the driver, you own the car, and you decide who gets to ride. And if the passenger is looking out the window for a better ride, you pull over and let them out on the side of the highway. So, here is the smart question for the Brotherhood today. If you gave her a bill for every safety and luxury you provided over the last year, could she afford to pay you back? Or would she realize she's been living a life she hasn't earned? I want to hear from the brothers in the comments. When was the moment you realized she was just waiting for better? How did you feel when you finally withdrew your sponsorship? Share your story below. Your victory is the oxygen for the brother who is currently suffocating under the weight of a woman who treats him like a service provider. Let's get the engagement up. Let's show the algorithm that the sovereign era has arrived. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay cold, stay in your power. This channel is for men who are done blaming themselves for other people's choices. If that's you, don't leave as a spectator. Subscribe and stay ahead because we're just getting started. Support the message, speak in the comments, and stand with the men who choose clarity over confusion.